As you can see, last map 4 minutes ago. And he's not joining again. Sent me messages. Checked again. He won't join for last map. He left. I beat him second map 4-2. And he left and said he was hosting, and then it's my host and he won't join. It's been, well, nearly 5 minutes. Last map 4 minutes ago. I think he's appearing offline. Last map 5 minutes ago, there we go. Still refuse, not join him again. Forfeits. I'll just wait.